Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're talking about the Waring Commercial TBB145 TORQ 2 horsepower blender, a powerful piece of equipment designed for commercial settings. Whether you're running a bar, restaurant, or smoothie stand, this blender promises to handle your toughest blending tasks. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The Waring TBB145 TORQ is all about power and performance. With a 2 horsepower motor that boasts up to 24,000 RPM, this blender is engineered to quickly crush ice, blend frozen fruit, and whip up smoothies or cocktails at an impressive speed. According to the brand, you can blend 3 16-ounce margaritas in under 8 seconds. That's the kind of efficiency you'd expect from a commercial-grade blender. This blender features a 2-speed toggle switch for easy control, offering versatility for different types of blending tasks. Whether you're looking for a quick, high-speed blend or a slower, more controlled mix, you've got options. The 48-ounce copolyester jar is stackable, BPA-free, and designed for heavy-duty use, ideal for busy commercial environments. The jar can take a beating and still perform without issues, making it a reliable choice for professionals. When it comes to durability, the TBB145 TORQ doesn't disappoint. It's built with a stainless steel, user-replaceable drive coupling, which means the blender can handle long-term use and, if necessary, parts can be replaced to keep it running smoothly. This makes it not only a durable product, but also a cost-effective one in the long term. So, how does it perform in real-world situations? I put it to the test by blending various items like frozen fruit, ice, and even thicker mixtures like smoothies and shakes. Right out of the box, the setup was straightforward and the blender was ready to go. The motor is strong and it's immediately clear that this is not your typical home blender. In terms of real-world use, it's fast, blending everything I threw at it in seconds. The 2-speed settings also come in handy for different consistency preferences, and I never found it lacking power. However, it's not perfect. While the power and speed are fantastic, it does come with a bit of noise. It's not surprising given the 2 horsepower motor, but it's something to keep in mind if noise level is a concern in your workspace. Additionally, while the jar is built to last, its size may be a bit too large for small operations or home use. If you're blending smaller batches, it might be overkill. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The TBB145 TORQ shines in its power and performance. The 2 horsepower motor makes quick work of tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruit. The build quality is top-notch, and the replaceable drive coupling adds to its longevity. The fact that it's stackable and BPA-free makes it easy to store and safe for your health. But on the flip side, it's a bit on the noisy side, and the large jar might not be ideal for smaller servings or personal use. It's definitely a tool designed for high-volume commercial environments. In terms of value, the Waring TBB145 TORQ isn't cheap, but it's a commercial-grade product, and that means you're getting industrial-level quality. For anyone running a cafe, bar, or restaurant, this blender is a workhorse that can handle the demand. You'll be paying a premium, but if you compare it to other high-end commercial blenders, you're not necessarily overpaying for what you're getting. There are cheaper options on the market, but few that match the combination of power, durability, and versatility that this blender offers. When comparing it to other commercial blenders in the same price range, the Waring TBB145 TORQ holds its own. Some alternatives may offer slightly different features or design, but most don't come close to the raw power and build quality of this one. Brands like Blendtec and Vitamix also offer great commercial blenders, but they tend to be pricier. And the TBB145 TORQ delivers almost the same performance at a lower cost. It's clear that if you're after raw power and speed, this blender gives you exceptional value for money. Talking about build quality, the TBB145 TORQ is built to withstand the rigors of a busy commercial kitchen or bar. The stainless steel drive coupling and high-performance motor give it a durability that's hard to beat. I have no doubt this blender will last for years with proper care. As for longevity, it's a product built for the long haul, and being able to replace parts, like the drive coupling, adds an extra layer of confidence in its durability. I didn't need to interact with customer service during my review. But Waring as a brand has a strong reputation for customer support, especially when it comes to their commercial equipment. Their products are designed for high-volume use, and in the event that something goes wrong, you can expect solid customer service to help you get back on track quickly. The TBB145 TORQ is designed for high-speed blending, and there's no firmware or software to worry about with this product. It's all about the mechanical components and performance. To wrap things up, the Waring Commercial TBB145 TORQ 2-horsepower blender is an excellent choice for commercial establishments that need speed, power, and durability. It excels in blending large quantities quickly and consistently, making it a valuable addition to any high-demand kitchen or bar. While it's not the quietest blender on the market and its large jar might not suit every user, it's a powerful, reliable tool for anyone who needs a workhorse blender. If you're looking for a product that can handle the demands of a commercial kitchen or bar, this blender should be on your radar. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in getting the Waring TBB145 TORQ blender, the link is in the comments box. If you already own one, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your experience been like? Until next time, stay tuned to Reviews Inside TV, where we keep it real and keep it blending.